Hello everyone, how is it going? Now we are all humans, right? And as humans, we tend to live complicated lives. So we cannot expect all of our days to be the same, right? Some of our days are really good, and on the other hand, some of our days are really bad, right? So the question arises, is there something we could actually do to turn our bad days into good days so that we could possibly have good days all the time? There are a few mindset shifts that we could do to potentially help us accept bad days and in fact turn it into much better days mentally using our mindset. So in this video we're going to be looking at one such practice, a quick easy practice that we could do every single day to really help us make our days good, even the bad days, and it can make the good days even better. So let's dive right in and let's look at that practice. It's going to be a short and value packed video, so watch this till the very end. By the way, I've made a Hindi video on the exact same topic, so if you'd like to watch me in Hindi over English, you could always go back and watch that video. I'll put a link to it in the description. So let's begin the video. Well, what is this practice? It is nothing but visualizing your day the night before. Every night when you're about to go to bed, just maybe 5 minutes before going to bed, when you're just lying down on your bed, just try to visualize the next day. Try to divide that day into parts or segments. Like for example, you could have 3 segments for your day. It could be a morning segment, an afternoon segment, and a night or an evening segment. It's all up to you to decide how you're gonna go about doing that. But the point is to divide your day into segments and then set an intention for each segment. For example, your morning intention could be to get work done, and your evening intention could be self-reflection and contemplation. Just divide your day into segments and then have your intention for each and every segment, and then imagine and visualize yourself just navigating through each and every segment, basically going through your entire day. It is said that our subconscious mind is most active before we just go to bed, so it is good that we leverage that using this practice. A lot of people preach visualization and imagining yourself in the situation you want to be in, and it does tend to work. The help it does is significant. So it is better that we use the power of visualizing things and use it to our advantage with our days, making it better. That's one thing, but other than that, it can also do a lot of good things. First of all, it can help us end the day on a positive note, looking forward to the future as well, and it can also help us reconsider our goals and our long-term goals, because if you're imagining every day, you're gonna think to yourself, what is it that I should be doing on these given days so that I reach my goal in the future, right? That's one thing. And apart from that, it can also help you set a timetable for yourself, a mental note of your day, and that can also really help you with your time management in a sense. So that those were the benefits to this. So this was the first part. Now let's look at the extension to this or the second part. This one's really important too. In this part, we're supposed to say a few things to ourselves or repeat this sentence to yourself, the one I'm gonna say now. Well, say to yourself that I've imagined or visualized the entire day, and I've visualized the entire day to be good, but then it's life and life is complicated. There are always things that could go wrong on any given day. Maybe my mood could get spoiled or something like that could go wrong. So I have to be accepting it now itself, and I have to be ready beforehand. In case something like that happens, I'll be ready and I'll not let that spoil my day. Now you could change this sentence to your liking. It's all up to you, but the point is to say something like this to yourself so that you accept anything going wrong in your day beforehand. Now this is somewhat similar to negative visualization, which is a part of the Stoic philosophy. What negative visualization or this practice or this second part to the practice could do is it could help you be prepared for things that could go wrong in the future. If we are already prepared for something that could go wrong in the future, it will help us endure that situation much better as opposed to not being ready ready for something that could go wrong at all. So this is an essential part to this practice which we must be doing as a combination with the visualization practice. So that pretty much sums up the practice that I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you found some value out of it. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. That's all for this video. I'll see you soon in another video. Until then, take care and try doing this. It might really help you.